Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add shadow to product cards in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. Just click it. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open the store's appearance script. All store styling code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. So go all the way down at the last line, which is blank. Press Enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description and it has the code we'll use in this video. Just click the button that says click and copy. Clicking will copy the script below. Let's go back to Shopify and paste our code in the blank line we left. After pasting, go to the top right and click the save button. After clicking, the changes are saved successfully. Now when you view your store, you'll see product images have a shadow effect. It's subtle, but it gives your store a more professional look. I hope this video helped.